model for the staircase. Now let's continue to define load case 3, define the pattern, and in the default or Etabs there are two load pattern, this load and line load. Now we have to add a new load. We can create super load for the concrete tile, concrete mortar, and other load. Now we want to use the same concrete tile and concrete mortar as the load, so we had to add for the wind load. This one I call it wind direction, change to the 0 code 1, add, and wind in y direction, add again. Now let's check and modify. This one we use the wind velocity v0, change it to only 28. For the interval 1/50 years, so the probability is around 0.02. The terrain category 2. Okay, the exposure height for the story 1 and story 2 is the wave floor. So for the parking 1, 2, so the story 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we do not apply. We call surrounding building here is 3 floor or 4 floor, so we want to apply at the story 6 to the story 32. If you include the parapet, you can include the parapet height at the top floor and modify. So we want to keep only 0 degree in the each direction along the each direction. Click OK, click OK, and this one also modify. Now 28 the same, and apply from the story 6, modify, keep it 90 degree for the along globe wall device. Click OK, check it again. Okay, 28 is correct. Now let me seal, defined load pattern. Now add the new load. We add the notional load, notional. Click on auto, add new, click on modify. This one we am not sure we this notional load 0 or 0.2% or the ultimate load combination or the service. So you have to verify it in a small structure to make sure this one is 0.2% or the ultimate load. We want to apply the notional load 0.2 or ultimate load combination 1.35 load plus 1.5 load. So in the case we global it. Okay, did load. So now I call it did load, notional load global it, change it to 3%, 0.3%. Click OK. Now notional load did load in its direction. Modify it. Modify load. Notional load did load in its direction, and click on the modify load. Okay, now click on new, and this one we change it to Y and add new and modify it to the global axis y, change it to 0.3%. Did load the same. Now let's check it. Okay, it's correct. Did load y, and okay, did load. Now we want to add for the line load, and let's now load line load it axis, add, modifies, change to line load 0.3%. okay, this one correct. Now check it to the y, add and modify it, change to the global axis y 0.3, change to the line load. Okay, and okay, seal it. Now we complete for the modeling and create load case. We define the load pattern, not complete load case. Load pattern. There are this load, line load, and wind load in both direction, and no snow load. For the other dead load, super dead load, now I include in the dead load. For the mechanical load, for the sailing load, for the motor and floor, we also include in the load. And for the line load, we know other load. If we have another partition, we can include in line load. I don't want to include extra line load, extra dead load, super dead load. So this one, if you want to reduce line load, you can create reduce line load. Now I don't want to reduce line load. I want to use this load and line load. Click on OK. Click on file and seal. Now you can close one window and show undeformed shape. Okay, click on the icon to set solid 3D view. Click apply. Okay. Now let's change for the intersection between the slab and the column and the beam. Click on the select object type beam, click and assign frame intersection point. Now I want to change the intersection point to edge top center. Okay, apply. Okay. And so the 3D, select 3D again. Apply. If this view do not appear, you can select on clear preview select, and again click on apply. Now let's view the undeformed shape. Escape, extrude frame, apply. Okay. Okay. Now let's define define p-data option. In p-data option, there are 3 options you can use: non-interactive based on mass or interactive based on load. In this one we do not use none. We at least we use non-interaction based on mass or interaction based on load. If you use the option, the p-data option will be not active. So good recommendation, I recommend you use the interaction based on load. The load, now you can include the load 1 and line load now 0.5, and for other load we do not include it. Okay, now define load combination. Click on add new combination, or you can add default design combination. This one you have to add it manually one by one, and this one you have to add it automatically in option or Etabs. Click on convert to user combination. You can convert it. If you do not take the option, you cannot convert it or edit it later. And now click on the concrete frame design and concrete wall design. Click on convert to user combination. Click OK. Now let's check it. Double click, and you can check it to 1.35 DL, and the load combination is the linear. Double click this one, 1.35 DL plus 1.5 LL. Continue. We have to change rename 1.35 DL plus 1.5 LL plus 0.9 win it. Now let's copy. Okay, this one just 1.35 the load, 1.5 the change the sign. Okay, the 0.9, this 1.35, 0.9 win y. Okay, now let's change it win y. Okay, minus sign. Minus sign is opposite direction with the plus sign. This one. Okay, now let's change it. .5. This one 1.05. Copy. Okay, 1.35 minus sign. Okay, you have to change it all. Easy to check one case by one case. This one. Okay, win y. Copy and change the minus sign. Copy. 1.35 in it. Okay, change it. Copy, pass minus sign, win y, copy, pass minus sign, did load. Okay, win it. You can use only for the critical load combination. If you know which one is the more critical load combination, you can reduce it. Now Etabs automatically generate this load. Now we have to change it to easy to understand which one is the combination, the load or line load or win load. Continue, win y, copy, minus, and this combination for the wall. Now let's check what is different. So it's the same, double click, it's the same, so you can delete all this load combination. Click, see, select and click delete load combination and click OK. In the first case, you have to run first order analysis and to design, to check about deflection, lateral twist, to make sure your structure can stand about the load, to receive load. After that, you can come back to run the second order analysis to verify its scan. It is a step-by-step concept how you can apply and check the global model square and non-square. But in the case I don't want to care about this square and non-square, so you can automatically use the non-linear p data analysis to get the maximum moment in the column. Now click on the load combination again. In the case if you use non-linear, you can convert it. Okay, click it's all and convert to non-linear case. Now we do not run non-linear case. We have to check for the building twist. So in this step you have to check for the linear analysis. Okay, now let's check, and the p data option do not active because we not yet generate non-linear. So in the load combination we use the linear load combination and run linear analysis. Okay, now let's check for the assign, analyze, check model, click to check all. Okay, we want to check and verify this modeling without any error. It has an error, you can you must to correct it before you perform run analysis and design. Sorry, error can make this model error, and that is kind of acceptable. Model has been checked, no warning message were generated, so this model is clear and clean, no error. Now I want to shift it to other version. I call it to revision 1. Click on Shift. And now after we create load combination, you can apply for the load. You can apply load and then create load combination, or you can create load combination and then apply load. Now click on the plant, click on the last floor, E32, and click on all story, click 1. Okay, select. Now let's turn it off. We don't want to show the slit. Okay. Select object type. Floor. Okay, sorry. Again, floor. And click on assign. Cell load uniform. We apply the cell load 1.2 for the concrete for the floor tile with the mortar, and plus with the mechanic and ceiling, say it's 0.5. so this value for the load 1.7 for every floor, and direction gravity. Apply. Click on previous selection and change to the light load, and this one we had to change it to 2.5 for residential building. Apply. And you want to include for partition, you can change you can add it 1 kilonewton more, so the total is 3.5 kilonewton per square meter. Now click on close. View on the 3D. Click on 1 story. Now I want to add load to this floor. Click. Or you can turn the wall and the column off. Click on this icon. Click on beam, untick beam, untick column, untick wall. So apply. And opening. And apply. Okay. What is this one? Now let's select. So this one it also has one floor. Edit. Replicate. Story. Now I want to edit it to the base. Okay. Okay. Now click on it, assign, share load uniform, we had to add more line load to 1.5 for the parking. So the total line load in the floor is 4 kilonewton per square meter. And now let's check this one. We have to assign it a free joint, assign joint restraint free. Okay, and for the column we want to change it to the fixed restraint. Click on it. Okay, change it all. Just again assign joint restraint, change it to fixed port, apply. OK. Now let's check what is this one. Delete it. Edit, delete. Edit, delete. Edit, delete. Okay, save it again. Right click. Now we have to show it all. Column, beam, wall opening, apply. Okay. Now let's check again. So object all. Extrude frame, extrude shell. Assign, select, assign, clear display, assign, clear display, or assign, or window, extrude, apply. Okay, now we have column, beam. It's okay. Okay. So for this floor also has beam. Copy it. edit, replicate story, copy to base, apply. Okay. Select, edit, replicate, click on 2 point, 1, 2, apply. Okay. Save it. Now complete for the modeling. Check it again. Okay, model, no warning message. Apply. Click on OK. Now let's apply for the brick wall load. Click on the plan. Now let's change the master story. You can change it. Now I don't want to change it. We can correct the load later. Click on the plan. View on 31 plan. Now we have to assign the brick load for the outside beam. We use the all story. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beam, and assign frame load distributed, and this one is the load, and uniform load. The wall load is 0.2 multiply with the density of brick wall. We take it 17 or 16 and multiply with the floor height is 3 meter minus the beam depth is 0.7 minus 0.7. This is the value of the brick wall thickness 20. I want to verify it. 16 multiply 0.2 multiply with the 3.3 is 2.3. Yes, that's correct. Apply. Okay, and this one we apply for the wall wall thickness 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 multiply with 16 multiply with the 3 meter. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same with the perimeter beam is 7.36, 0.7. Sorry, it's the same is 7.36. Apply. Okay. Now let's view in a 3D view. And click on this icon, display frame load, did load, apply. Okay, we have to assign for the floor. Click on assign, clear display, and click on one story. And this floor we can apply for the back of the OC wall, but in the case I want to apply for the same way as the brick wall. No, let us assign uniform load distributed, apply. Okay, you can correct it by clicking sorry, by clicking on beam, assign frame load distributed, click on the delete existing load, apply. Okay, and for the okay, and for the top floor also the same. You can turn the floor off. Okay. And select. Click on assign, frame load, distributed, delete existing load, apply. Okay. Now complete. For modeling, apply load. Now let's check about the wall. Click on wall, right click, if wall file. You can check modifier. Now define section, wall section, to check the wall 1 and wall 5. Wall 5. Now we have to change the concrete strength, and the thickness is okay. And wall 1 we have to change the concrete strength to 45, and the thickness we also use 500. Include the automatic registration over wall. Okay and okay. Save it. So uniform shape. Assign, clear display assign. Okay, you can show the floor. Okay, you can show the diaphragm. Diaphragm extension, apply. Yes. Save it. And define, check the load cache. Did load, line load, module, wind load, and wind X, wind Y, national load, national load, national load, national load. So now let's check about load combination. You can check here, our load combination is not include national load. So in the first case you run the linear analysis, you can include